Everyone, this is Akatech Yugi as usual. So into this video, I'm going to show you how you can get to download and install the MTN TV by Afro Mobile application. So in order for you to download it, you need to have your Google account already signed in into your phone. Once you're done, then you can get to access the Google Play Store application. So once you land over here, tap onto the search button, then get over here into the search box and get to put in MTN TV by Afro Mobile. So once you're done doing that, you'll get to see the application, and here it is. So you get to tap on install and the process gets to begin, and it's gonna take like less than a minute depending on the internet speed that you're using. So within no time it's gonna open up. Let's wait. So we then open up the MTN TV by Afro Mobile. So over here, you can decide to open up with your MTN number by accepting the terms and conditions. As you see over here, accept, you toggle on all this so that this is activated. Then over here, you get to put in your MTN number. Once you're done, then they will send a one-time password to your phone number. Then confirm. So once you're done doing that, the application gets to open up, and it's an application where you can get to watch movies, series, and also TV channels of Uganda. As you see over here, there is what they call MTN Live. That was on the King Saha show, the MTN Live, NBS Live, K24. There are a couple of TV stations that are based in Uganda. Galaxy TV. What else? I know Star TV, Magic One, U24. Yeah, there are a couple of TV stations that are based in Uganda. So that's how you can get to download, install, and also register onto the MTN TV by Afro Mobile application. Thanks for watching the video. If the video has been of great importance, just do one thing: get to subscribe onto this channel and also leave a like on this video. Thank you.